Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you this video, just a review on the NuLens headlight renewal kit from Mothers. This is my first time trying it out, so let's hope my headlights look just like new. Right now they're pretty bad. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, they're just pretty bad. So they're both pretty bad, but I'm just gonna be doing one just to make it quick. It comes with, that's the box, and that's the formula. That's the attachment. There's what's gonna go on my drill, and these are pads to buffer, and these pads attached to that little buffer. So let's see how it works. Okay, and I'm gonna be using my wont, but these are mine. The towel doesn't really matter. I'm gonna clean it up. So all right guys, well, I just about finished with the light. You totally see the difference. It was pretty easy. Instructions are really easy. So here it goes. That's how it looks right now. I got the light on, that way you can see the little, this is a little. I haven't done this one yet. I'm gonna do it right now real quick, but this one is real bad, and this is the one that I just did. So from far away, you can't really see much of a difference. Let me turn the lights on, the lights off. So there we go. Okay, so there we go. That's the one I just did right now, and this is the one I'm gonna get to in a minute. So it really does work. So I'm gonna get on with the other one. I think now you can actually see the difference. So I hope this helps. All right, if you like it, like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.